Hi, I'm Catherine Harbour. When you start thinking about selling your home, you're likely to take a good look at it. You'll assess the condition and may find obvious reasons to fix it up. Most home sellers do just that, though often not in a way that will bring them profit. In fact, money is needlessly spent and not recouped at the time of sale. This video will help you avoid ending up in that situation. The two key areas of focus are painting and remodeling. These are not small undertakings, so you'll want to get them right. Paint color is critical in making your home sellable. When potential buyers arrive to see your home, they need to be able to see it as their home. They'll be projecting their future, maybe their whole life into it. So when a seller presents them with a blank canvas, it's much more likely to lead to a sale. We recommend painting your entire home in a neutral color and consulting an expert on whether to choose a warm or cool neutral. This will make all the difference in how the home presents. Remodeling a home can be a big expense, and it doesn't necessarily mean it will raise the home's value. In fact, spending too much on upgrades can backfire. If the cost of upgrades drives the home's price beyond the average for the neighborhood, the property could very well sit on the market. The seller may ultimately reduce the price, taking a hit on the upgrade costs. Before investing in upgrades and renovations, check what nearby homes are selling for and what owners are spending on their upgrades. Once you finish painting and remodeling on budget, you'll be so much closer to putting your home up for sale. In our next video, we'll reveal the little details that make a home sell at the best price. You'll find all of our Seller Secrets videos on our website. And please give us a call to see how we can help you sell your home. At Catherine Harbour Real Estate, we make the complicated process of home selling simple.